Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create nursery rhymes in CloneVoice and Artistly. First, let me briefly explain the steps involved. Essentially, we will be generating the nursery rhymes audio file in CloneVoice, then using Artistly to generate the images, and then finally, in a separate video, I'll show you how to put it all together in VideoExpress. So first, make sure that you watch this tutorial and set up your CloneVoice and Artistly API integration. I'm logged into my CloneVoice account. I'd recommend using Google Chrome as your browser. Click on Create Music at the top. Using this drop-down, choose Kids Rhymes. Here you'll see two options. You can use the custom option if you've already got your nursery rhyme created. If you do, just make sure that it is in this format. In this video, I'm going to be choosing the AI-generated option. And in this box, I'll enter my description of the nursery rhyme that I want to generate. I'll check this box and then click on Create Lyrics. It will then start the process of generating the lyrics. So just give it a few seconds. And here it is. Let me scroll down so you can see what it generated. Next, give it a name, and then scroll down to the bottom, and then check this box to agree with the terms of service. Then scroll back up, and then click on Generate Music. Give it a few seconds as it works on generating it. Initially, it'll show you the processing status, and then once completed, it'll display completed in green. You can then use these buttons to play, download, and delete it. I'll go ahead and download it, and it'll be in the Downloads folder on your computer. Next, let's head over to Artistly, and then click on Create Design at the top, and then choose Fast AI Image Designer. We are currently in the AI Image Designer version 6 section. Go to the AI Design Agent section. Then choose Nursery Rhymes. Drag and drop the MP3 audio here. Or click on this Browse link, which is what I'll do. Navigate to the folder where you saved the audio file. Choose it, and then click on Open. It'll then start uploading the file, and here it is. I'll use this drop down. You'll find several options for aspect ratios, and these are essentially for the images. I'll choose 16:9, and then click on Generate Images. Give it a minute or so, and then it will direct you to the Personal Design section. And here are the generated images. Let me scroll down so you can see all of the images that were generated based on the nursery rhymes audio we uploaded. So let me just scroll down. You can then use the bulk download button and then check these boxes to select the images like so. And then you would have to click this Download Selected button and then download the zipped folder. However, if you've already set up the API integration, you do not need to do this manually. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to take these images and use VideoExpress to animate them and then put the whole nursery rhymes video together. So now let me just play a small clip so that you can see how it came out. This is essentially what we're going to be doing, like I said, in VideoExpress.
Little friend so keen, let's explore the year, a wondrous scene. From sleepy quiet to a vibrant hum, let's see what magic is to come. When spring arrives, the wikes, the littles fill the lakes. We splash and jump with happy feet, pitter patter. The flowers nod, the birdies sing hooray.
To learn more about CloneVoice AI and to get it at a discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.